Good morning, children. Today I am going to explain you a new poem in unit number 7. The name of this poem is When I Set Out for Leonis. This poem is written by famous novelist Thomas Hardy. As a young apprentice architect, British poet and novelist Thomas Hardy once visited a parish to supervise the restoration of a church. एक बार थॉमस हार्डी एक चर्च के रिस्टोरेशन के सुपरविज़न करने के लिए पेरिस गए थे. ऑन हिज रिटर्न फ्रॉम द पेरिस पीपल नोटिस टू थिंग्स अबाउट हिम. वो जब पेरिस से लौटे. नाउ डियर स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाट इज पेरिस? पेरिस मीन्स एरिया हैविंग इट्स ओन चर्च एंड क्लर्जीमैन. इट्स कॉल्ड पेरिस. तो जब वो पेरिस से रिटर्न आ रहे थे तो लोगों ने थॉमस हार्डी के अंदर टू थिंग्स नोटिस की. नंबर 1, अ न्यू ग्लो इन हिज आइज. सबसे पहले तो लोगों ने नोटिस किया कि थॉमस हार्डी की आइज में एक न्यू ग्लो था. ग्लो मीन्स स्टूडेंट्स चमक. It may be for hope, it may be for happiness, it may be of any kind. And a crumpled piece of paper sticking out of his coat pocket. एंड उनके कोट के पॉकेट में एक क्रम्पल्ड मीन्स रिंकल्ड पेज जो था, पेपर था, वो नोटिस किया लोगों ने. contained that paper, it is recorded in one of his biographies, contained the draft of a poem. You are going to read that very poem inspired by a visit to a place which the poet calls Leonis. Now, Leonis means what? So, Leonis is a mythical birthplace of Sir Thomas Hardy, situated in southwest England and believed to have been submerged by the sea. So, let's begin this poem. When I set out for Leonis, 100 miles away, the rime was on the spray, and starlight lit my lonesomeness. When I set out for Leonis, 100 miles away. When I set out for Leonis means पोइट बोल रहा है कि जब मैं लियोनिस जाने के लिए निकला था, लियोनिस जाने के लिए रेडी हुआ था, 100 miles ago. So the poet learns that the trip will cover about 100 miles. Initially, the poet in this poem was lonely. Here, lonesomeness means loneliness. What is the meaning of lonesomeness? Loneliness. Initially, the poet feels loneliness. Then the rime was on the spray. What is the meaning of rime? Rime means frost. F-R-O-S-T. It means frost. And starlight lit my lonesomeness when I set out for Leonis. जब मैं लियोनिस के लिए निकला, 100 माइल्स दूर था, वहाँ जाने के लिए निकला, तो जो स्टार लाइट थी उन्होंने मेरी लॉनलीनेस दूर कर दी. स्प्रे मीन्स लीव्स एंड ब्रांचेस ऑफ ट्रीज. स्प्रे मीन्स लीव्स एंड ब्रांचेस ऑफ ट्रीज. देन in the second stanza, the poet say, what would bechance at Leonis, while I should sojourn there? No prophet durst declare, nor did the wisest wizard guess. What would bechance at Leonis, while I should sojourn there? Here, bechance means happen. Means happen. H-P-P-H-A-P-P-E-N. Bechance means happy. While I should sojourn there. Sojourn means visit. पोइट बोल रहे थे कि मुझे वहाँ पे उसकी विजिट क्यों करनी चाहिए. नो प्रॉफिट डर्स्ट डिक्लेयर. प्रॉफिट मीन्स अ पर्सन हु प्रेडिक्ट द फ्यूचर. डेड. Then he said, nor did the wisest wizard guess. Wizard means magician. So in the second stanza, the poet was thinking about the happenings that are going to take place at Leonis. Leonis में जो things होने वाली थी उसके बारे में बता रहे हैं, वो सोच रहे हैं. The poet was confident that neither any prophet nor any magician would be able to predict what was going to happen at Leonis. पोएट क्या बोल रहे हैं कि कोई ऐसा प्रॉफिट नहीं है, कोई ऐसा मैजिशियन नहीं है कि जो ये बता सकता है, ये प्रेडिक्ट कर सकता है कि लियोनिस में अब क्या होने वाला है. देन इन द थर्ड स्टैंजा द पोएट से व्हेन आई रिटर्न फ्रॉम लियोनिस with magic in my eyes, all marked with mute surmise, my radiance rare and fathomless, when I returned from Leonis with magic in my eyes. So when the poet returned from Leonis, the people saw that there was unprecedented glow in his eyes. They were shining brightly. The poet's eyes were shining brightly. Then the poet says, my radiance rare and fathomless. Means the poet's happiness was limitless. जो पोएट क्या बोल रहा है कि जब मैं लियोनिस से वापस आया तो लोगों ने मेरी आंखों में एक चमक देखी. मेरी जो हैप्पीनेस थी वो लिमिटलेस थी, बहुत हैप्पी था मैं. द पोएट रिटर्न्ड विथ मैजिक इन हिज आईज. So here our poem is completed. The poet described his happiness, his hopeness during his visit to Leonis. Although nothing is mentioned in the poem about this, but it is obvious that the poet is quite excited and happy about his trip. Though Leonis is a mythological lost land, beginning with these lines, the poet begins that when I set out for Leonis 100 miles away. And at the beginning, the poet was lonely, probably dreading his time away from home, from his comforts. On the other hand, no fortune teller or magician could have foretold what would happen while he was there. सो पोएट जब रिटर्न आए थे तो लोगों ने उनकी आंखों में एक अलग सी चमक देखी. लोगों ने सोचा कि जो पोएट है जब लियोनिस से वापस आए तो बहुत ही हैप्पी लग रहे थे. सो लियोनिस इज़ नॉट अ पर्टिकुलर प्लेस चिल्ड्रन, बट द पोएट गेव दैट प्लेस दिस नेम लियोनिस. So here we have completed the explanation of this poem. Bye everyone. Thank you. Have a nice day.